The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2020 Mini Countryman, the 5-door SUV that has a factory installed raised rail. We've just installed the Yakima Jetstream TimberLine base rack system. System consists of the 50-inch Jetstream load bar. Black is also available, silver is shown here. Connecting that to the rail is the TimberLine towers. Those come in a set of 4. So connected to the raised rails, you have a 32-inch crossbar spacing up to 165 pounds worth of carrying capacity. Locks are not included, they're optional. So if you want to add some security to it, you can pick up a set of those when purchasing the rack. This is just a quick look at this rack system on this vehicle. Great solution to carry all sorts of gear, bikes, kayaks, cargo, etc. For more details, click on the link in the description below. But like always, thanks for watching.